take it down towards the floor a little bit. Bring it up. Yeah, about there-ish. And you can look through this glass here first to kind of get allocated.
Okay.
So put those heads together, yep. And then go away from you. And then, yep, there you got it. Drop it down just a little bit. Turn the floor. There you go. And then that crosshair's in your right eye. So line up that crosshair with what you want to shoot, and then step on the pedal.
Oh, I think I scooted away from this already.
My glasses are not helping me see.
Drop it to the floor just a little. There, you got it. You can come up a little bit now. There you go. Yep, that's it.
This might start this,